Good morning. This is your morning moment. And this week is about so many things, about elevating and shifting consciousness. And this is about having an attitude for gratitude and really celebrating the little things. Big things too. I know this is a particularly stressful time for everybody, and it's very easy to dwell on the things that are your triggers, that are making you feel anxious, that are making you feel fearful. And this is also a great time to switch your consciousness into what are you grateful for, right? Maybe you're grateful to have good health. Maybe you're grateful for those friends in your life that are listening and that are supportive. So peace does not exist outside of yourself. Even this word anxiety, it means troubled mind. So we want to get out of the mind. We want to go beyond the mind, beyond our fears, and come back to our real self. And when the real self is present, not in the past, where we've got our stories and our fears and our troubles, and not in the future when we're overly anxious about what it's going to be. But right here, right now, we can unpack how we really feel. What's stressing me out, and how do I shift that into a place of gratitude? So shifting into an attitude for gratitude. I love that. So share this. Maybe you'll just give me 3 things that you're grateful for. Send it to somebody else and invite somebody else in your life to share those things with you as well.